What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT. If you've ever noticed this little symbol right there with the exclamation mark, that means you have a system update. As you can see, it's also highlighted here. So what we do is we go over to the system update selection, and you can see here there is a software update available. Now you have two options. You can install it now, or you can install while the vehicle is off. So we're going to go ahead and get our Wi-Fi network selected so we can do our update over Wi-Fi. So now that we've got our Wi-Fi set up, we're gonna go into system updates. We're gonna hit the back arrow. We're gonna make sure that we are doing our updates via the wireless connection. So that's all set. So what I'm gonna do now is install while vehicle is off, and the system will update once the driver exits the vehicle. It's gonna take about 20 minutes, and then we're good to go. All right, so here we can see that the update has completed successfully. It's your boy BT. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.